So in this lecture, this is just an interesting story about Java, right? How Java invented and who is the inventor of Java. It is the most powerful language in the world till now, right? That's why I have made a decision to make this video. And welcome to the course. You have taken very good decision by enrolling in this course, and you will not regret taking this course, right? As we are going to study the Android applications as well as database applications. So this is 3-in-1 course, right? So you will get all the basic information about that. So here comes the topic: the inventor of Java. The picture you can see, it is the person's name is James Gosling, and he is a person who invented Java. He is the mastermind behind the most powerful language in the world, right? So Java was made in 1992, and till now its popularity is maintained because there are many developers available for Java, and Java has continuously improving its support for latest technologies like AI, machine learning, etc. etc. So we will take a look how Java was invented, right? So James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Newbutton initiated the Java language project in June 1991. A small team of Sun engineers called Green Team, initially designed for small embedded systems in electronic appliances like set-top box, etc., etc. Right. Firstly, the language was called Green Top, right, by James Gosling, and the file extension was .gt. Now it is .java. After that, it was called Oak, and was developed as a part of Green project. So why the Java was named Oak? So oak is a symbol of strength and chosen as the national tree of many countries like USA, France, Germany, Romania, etc. etc. In 1995, Oak was renamed as Java because it was already a trademark by Oak Technologies, as Oak Technologies can sue them for using their trademark. So they have to change the name. So next comes another picture, that why Java programming named Java, right? So the team gathered to choose a name. The suggested names were dynamic, revolutionary, silk, jolt, DNA, etc. etc. They wanted something cool, right? So according to James Gosling, Java was one of the top choices along with Silk. Since Java was unique, most of them team members preferred Java. So how this Java name came forward when James Gosling got into espresso coffee nearby shop, then he discovered that things that he think that where did the coffee was invented. So he found out that Java is an island of Indonesia where the first coffee was produced. So he suggested the name Java. So it is an acronym initially developed by Sun Microsystem, but now it is a subsidiary of Oracle Corporation, right? So in 1995, the Time magazine called Java one of the 10 best products of 1995. It was revolutionary language at that time, right? It was a complete combination of C++ and C. So the first JDK 1.0 released in January 23, 1996. After the first release of Java, there have been many additional features added to the language. Now Java is being used in Windows, web application, enterprise application, mobile application, cards, etc. etc. Each new version of Java adds new features in Java, right? So you will be eager to learn about more this language, right? So we are going to study in detail, and in short, I can tell you that the top Fortune 500 companies still uses Java, right? So it is nearly impossible for them to shift through to the another language. So this is the major reason why you should learn Java to go into the Fortune 500 companies. And Java is continuously doing efforts for improving its support for AI and machine learning, so that when you learn Java, you can also implement the applications of AI and machine learning through Java, right? So this is a great idea to learn this language and join the course, right? So let's stop here, and we will continue in the next lecture.